right here. Hey, I walk my vlog, and I spy a Stang, and it is a Mustang 2. King Cobra. Fortunately, it doesn't appear that he's slowing down. He's going to be going out of town here. Just not going to catch it. He's still living rather close. They're going around in a circle to go home. Well, I caught up with the King Cobra, and it is the 78, and from what the owner tells me, they only made one. This was the only year they did the King Cobra. Only year.
74 to 78. Yeah, it was 4,300.
And then it was the first year that they considered the 5.0.
Yep, it's the first year.
The 5.0. Red and red. There's an automatic. You've boosted up the transmission. Did that come modified when you got it?
Yeah, I bought it like that.
Okay. And it was a West Virginia car. And then, was it West Virginia?
Yep.
And then it made its way up to
California.
Out to California. And then back to Pennsylvania. And he picked it up there. I will mask out the license plate. If I do it. But inside you would not.
Yeah, putting the radio in it. That's why the door's panels are off of it.
I see. There we go. Yeah, I learned to drive in a Mustang too. And yep, 4-speed. And I got my driver's license in it.
Yeah, I had a 75 coupe.
Oh, geez.
College.
Yeah. Brings back memories. And you want to take a look at the hood or the motor? That would be great.
Yeah, it's my daily driver. That's why it's dirty.
I see. Well, why not?
Why not? Front suspension on it. That's why
redo
down there getting aligned.
This is great.
Yeah.
There she is. And that's the original motor. How many horses do you know?
I have no idea. I never
stock anything. Never asked. Did you know if they rebuilt it or is it?
It's rebuilt. It's got a mild cam in her.
Okay.
You heard the way it sounded.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I was right behind you, and I listened to it when you. Actually, what caught my attention is I work at Gunlock.
Oh yeah.
So I was coming out of the driveway at Gunlock. Actually, I was walking across, and I heard something. I looked across, and I says, "There it goes. I got to find out who owns that." And
yeah, that was the mechanic taking it for a ride.
What did you do? What did you have to do?
Line the front end.
Oh, you lined the front end. Okay.
Ball joints, tie rods all on it.
Oh, I see. That's why you were in there. Okay.
Yeah.
It was probably about time, huh?
Yeah, those were original.
It's the original? Yeah, my wife's 96. She it was November, and we're getting ready to take it off the road. She went to Walmart in Hornell, and she was coming back this way towards Hornellsville. She was right at the light, went to turn left, ball joint dropped out on her.
Really?
So she called me and says, "I'm stuck at the light." So I just did that and just did both ball joints on that, and we took it down to Keene to have him.
Yeah, I'm going to try to look for a Cobra grill or snake.
Oh yeah.
They didn't come on the car, but they look sharp on the Cobra too.
Everything else is original on it though. As far as the King Cobra and the paint schemes are all original.
It's got lacy wheels. That's what those are called.
Okay.
Yeah, and rims
With the Cobra. That's awesome. Now is the exhaust coming out of here original? Is that the way they
I don't know.
set it up?
I've seen a couple of them. It might have been. I'm not sure.
Because I know it's
Not 100%.
I am actually thinking it is original because it has to go around that gas tank.
Yeah.
It has to, and then that'd be too much modification, I think, for somebody to.
Yeah, I ordered rear window louvers for it. I got the side window louvers.
Very nice.
I gotta paint the trim.
That would be sharp.
To redo it.
That would be sharp. Awesome. Well, I'm gonna. All right.
Yeah, it's supposed to say Ford here, but they filled in the holes and took the script off.
Ah.
I think it looks better because it looks cleaner
Right.
than having a Ford.
And then the original scoop into the radiator. Oh, it's very nice. Awesome. And the way it the intake, the hoodless just a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, she's a little tall.
Just a little tall for that. Yeah.
You can see how she wore right into it.
You never know. That would be a. This is awesome. I appreciate you letting me video it. I'll have it up in a couple of days here. And I spy a Stang. Okay, we're going to continue on. We're going to get a treat here. He's got something else hiding in his garage. Oh yes. This is a bonus for you guys. I spy a Stang, and it is a 71? 71, Mach 1. Oh, is she beautiful. Oh, man. How did you accumulate this one?
This one I actually bought at Carlisle.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Where is my, I don't need my lights.
This is the only Mustang that Ford built without the, because you know Shelby's?
Yes.
That was a joint venture with Shelby.
Oh my word.
Well, Shelby owns the rights to the GT350 and Ford doesn't, and they got sued when they built this car.
Oh.
This is the only one that Ford made of the GT350s.
No kidding.
Independently.
Wow. I'm going to have to come up on a nice day, or at least catch you driving. Well, you probably don't drive around too much, do you?
Well, that one hasn't been on the road in 9 years.
Really? She's just been sitting. Wow. Yeah, I know. Keeping the moisture out from underneath these is crazy.
Yeah.
Every year I have to go through the same mess. Oh
yeah,
man, that's beautiful.
I actually have that running.
Keep the moisture even on the concrete, because I keep both of them just crazy. Wow, man, isn't that beautiful?
Your car automatically starts?
It's a hybrid.
Oh, is it?
So when the battery gets down, the motor will start right back up. Oh man.
That's the granddaughter's 427.
There you go. Yes, definitely. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. That's beautiful. Yeah, unfortunately my battery's getting low here, so I can't get the. I'm gonna have to catch you on a nice, bright, sunny day. That is beautiful. Like I said, I had looked at this before, the 71, but again, you can't see out the back window.
No. Will not exist.
And being as short as I was,
Yeah,
That is
everybody
beautiful.
calls that a giant yellow bumblebee.
Isn't it? Yeah, isn't it? That is beautiful. Well, I'm gonna shut this down. You guys got a bonus on I Spy a Stang. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. She is beautiful. And of course, we're gonna take a look at the GT.